Hey guys, Shade Tree Handyman here, putting on some struts on a BMW Z3 97. You can see where the clip is. You pull that clip out just a little bit so that it opens up the hole for the ball joint, and you put this, the skinny shaft, the male end will go onto the bottom. So the big thick part, the shock absorber, will go on the top. So we're going to put this on the bottom like so. Okay, and then get that clip pushed in there with a screwdriver or something. So it clips in there. Hear that? Alright, now this shock is extended too long. So what you have to do is you turn this big part clockwise and it will compress it until it gets to that point. Okay? A lot of people, nobody says anything about that on YouTube, as I noticed. And you just keep turning it until it gets down to where it fits. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing with the clip on here. You can pull that clip out, and when you put it on, you push that clip back on and you're done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope that helped.